Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be covering notes taking shortcuts. This is just the part 1 wherein I have covered a few of the symbols that I used to use for as a shortcut for taking notes. I got a request from many people asking me to share shortcuts or what is the efficient way of taking notes. I just want to point it out that everyone has their own style. I mean, whatever works for me, it is not necessary that it will work for you, but yes, it will give you an indication or it will give you a clue as to what you really should look into. Okay, so it will really help you. Moreover, this kind of shortcuts I had developed over a long period of time. Okay, so I think it will surely help you. Kindly go through this and let me know if it helps you or not. Okay, so let's begin with the notes taking shortcut. Okay, so the first one is tilt. When you give a tilt sign, and this means similar or constant, similar or consistent, and in Hindi we say saman या के जैसा या अनुरूप. Okay. Next is equal to sign, which means equal or equals, बराबरी का. Then is not equal to. Okay. This means बराबरी नहीं है, बराबर नहीं है. This line and then 2 dots means beginning or initially. It means शुरू या शुरू में. Okay. And then 2 dots and a line, it means end. This means समाप्त या अंत. Okay, so 2 arrows, it means lead to या led to या consequence. Okay, anything that is a result. So परिणाम और की वजह से, anything that is a resulting. Okay, you can even use it for as a result of or results in. Okay, then IT means I think, मुझे लगता है. IS means it seems, ऐसा लगता है. Then for good morning, good night, good afternoon and hello, hi. Okay, so you can use any of the symbols. Even if you just want to have a single symbol, you can have H. Okay, which will basically means namaste or namaskar in Hindi. Okay, but in case when the thing that used to happen with me is that when I used to hear good morning, I used to write GM. So that's why I have kept the same symbols, but when you translate it to Hindi, it will be namaste or namaskar. Then M, capital M means Mr. or Mrs. or Miss or Master. For everything in Hindi, you will just use G. So after this, right sign, it will means right, yeah, that's right, or that's correct. In Hindi, it translates to सही है या यह सही है. Then right and question mark, this means is it right or is it correct. Okay, and in Hindi it will translate to क्या ये सही है. Then right, wrong and then question mark, this means is it not or isn't it. Okay, so in Hindi it will call it क्या ऐसा नहीं है. And then wrong and then right, that means not right and not correct, that means सही नहीं है. Y means yes, हाँ, and wrong symbol, okay, cross symbol means no, don't, won't, shouldn't, couldn't, haven't. All of this you can use for just a cross. Okay, that will tell you that it's a negative sentence. So this means नहीं कर सकता या नहीं करना चाहिए या नहीं होगा. All those things you can use. IU means I understand, मैं समझता हूँ. IC means I see, which means समझा या समझी. E/O means everyone, हर कोई या हर एक. A/O means anyone, किसी को या किसी को भी. Okay. S/O means someone या कोई. N/O means no one, कोई नहीं. ETH means everything, सब कुछ. ATH anything, कुछ भी. STH means something. In Hindi it translates to कुछ. NTH means nothing, कुछ नहीं. E/T means every time, हर बार, हर समय. A/T means any time, किसी भी समय. S/T means sometime or sometimes, means कुछ समय या कभी भी, कभी कभी. Then to equal and then forward arrow, that means or greater than symbol, that means advice or recommendation or suggestion. Okay, I used to use this symbol whenever it used to be any advice or suggestion or recommendation. So basically you can say salah or paramarsh ya sujhav. These words are very similar, you can interchange. Even for recommendation, if you say salah, it's not wrong. Okay, you need not definitely use only sujhav. These are all interchange words. So just this symbol will means that some advice was given or some suggestion was given or some recommendation. Then forward arrow mark and then R means refer. Okay, refer to a doctor or refer for a job, that means भेजना या संदर्भित करना. And only R means related, means संबंधित. 2D means 2 days, 2 दिन. 2W means 2 weeks, 2 हफ्ते. 2M means 2 months, 2 महीने. 2Y means 2 years, 2 साल. And then backward arrow, it means before or ago, से पहले. So slash 2 days, arrow 2 days means 2 days ago, 2 दिन पहले. Forward arrow key means after, के बाद. And arrow key and then one Y means after 1 year, एक साल के बाद. S2D means since 2 months. Sorry, it should ideally be since 2 days, okay, or for 2 days, 2 दिनों से. But here I've used months, so you can just change it to S2M. Okay. ST means since then, तब से. LW means last week, पिछले सप्ताह. NW means next week, अगले सप्ताह. Okay, these are very useful, especially in this page. These are the most useful in NATI. Okay, and very simple to remember also. So kindly keep this in your mind. So okay, first, whenever you have to say first, so it will be first, पहला या प्रथम. And then 2 within a circle means second, means दूसरा. And 0 within a circle means last, अंतिम. LT means last time, पिछली बार. N, my name is, मेरा नाम है. M, I am, मैं हूँ. Okay, so these are also very helpful. Okay, I'll just show an example. N Rahul, that means my name is Rahul, मेरा नाम राहुल है. M Rahul means I am Rahul, मैं राहुल हूँ. CT means community, समुदाय. CL means central link. So in Hindi you can just keep it central link because it is the name of an organization, or if you want to be extra careful or you want to translate it anyhow, so you can use Kendra link, but I would prefer you or ask you to keep it as central link itself. So guys, these were some of the shortcuts that I used to use. I am sure that if you follow this on a regular basis, it will stick to your head, and these are the most useful shortcuts, okay, that I could come up with. This is just part 1. I'll be uploading many more such videos on shortcuts and symbols that I use for taking notes. I'm sure it will, with practice, it will even help you guys. I think yesterday I uploaded a video in which I had mentioned a 1-month strategy to crack NATI. Okay, that is also very helpful in case you want to follow my channel and you want to go through my videos. So that is a very good sequence that I have defined. Okay, it will help you be prepared for NATI in the best way possible. Okay, so kindly like the video if in case you are relating to the content that I am putting up, and if supposedly you want me to add something or change something, kindly provide that in the comment section so that I can act upon it. Also subscribe to my channel because it is a very useful channel on NATI. When I was preparing for the exam, we didn't had any such thing. Okay, so times were very tough, but now because I am making it available for you, so I would just request you to subscribe and also kindly share the content and videos with other NATI aspirants, because my intention of starting the channel was to help the community. Okay, you joined my channel, now it's helping you. I would ask you to help others. by sharing the channel and the content. Okay, that is the only way how we can help the entire community. Okay, so this is just the part 1. I will be coming up with a few more symbols, okay, in subsequent videos, which will be very helpful for you. Till then, just follow this and try to incorporate it into your notes taking techniques. Okay, thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.